Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to take one of these 3D wreath forms and transform it into a beautiful cylindrical crystal chandelier. To start, I will list out the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials for this DIY is from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. In addition to the 3D wreath form, we will also need one of these plastic light bulb shaped hanging ornaments, which I found at the holiday section of the Dollar Tree last Christmas. We will also be using an LED battery-operated fairy light, or string lights, as the light source. Here we have a box of acrylic teardrop-shaped hanging crystal ornaments. I found these on Amazon for pennies per piece when bought in bulk. My first step for this DIY was to figure out how to assemble this 3D wreath form. I have never used one of these before, so it may take me a while. I did discover that there are 4 wired circles that swivel back and forth, so it was relatively easy to shape them into a cylindrical shape. I also noticed that the 3D wreath form came with 2 pieces of this silver star-shaped piece. I assumed that it would need to go in the top center and bottom center. I took one piece and placed it to the top of the cylindrical wreath form and started bending the spokes and figured they must be used to hold each circular wiring into place. After a while, I realized that the cylindrical wreath form was starting to hold its shape, so figured I was on the right track by bending those spokes down in between each circular wiring. And after playing with it for a while, this is what I got. I think it looks pretty good. To place the 3D wreath form aside and move on to the light bulb hanging ornament by taking it apart. Taking the base, I use some small scissors to poke a bigger hole in the top center area where the string hangs out. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. After a while, I realized I wasn't getting too far, so I pulled out my soldering tool. I changed out the tip to the most pointy tip and then was able to poke a larger hole through the base. The hole was just large enough to feed the fairy lights through. Here you can see I'm testing it out just to make sure the lights fit through. Then I take the assembled 3D wreath form from earlier and feed the fairy lights through the hole on the top, leaving about 6 to 8 inches of the wiring leading to the on-off switch hanging out the top. Then I feed the other end of the fairy lights through the base of the light bulb and straight into the light bulb itself. Once the lights are in the bulb, screw the bulb back to the base. And here is what the chandelier should look like so far. Next, we hang the ornaments a third of the way down from the top of each circular wiring. Here I'm using some ornament hooks and twisting them into place around each circular wiring. Once you are satisfied with the placement and number of hanging ornaments, it's time to insert the small wiring piece sticking out from the top straight into the base of the light bulb. To keep it in place, I am applying a bit of hot glue. And here you can see that I'm not happy with the silver base of the light bulb, so I'm going in to cover it with some rhinestone ribbon, which I found on Amazon. This ribbon can be cut to size and comes with an adhesive backing, so no extra glue is required to adhere it. As a final touch, I decide to adhere some silver card trim along each circular wiring. This step is optional though, especially if you like the black color of the 3D wreath form as it is. And here is the final look for our cylindrical crystal chandelier. Comment down below and let me know where I should hang this chandelier. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, if you enjoyed this video, hit the notification bell and check out these next videos for more easy DIY chandeliers.